Students, in this video we will draw one diagram by using AutoCAD software, that is AC winding. Before getting into the topic, we will go through the steps. Steps for drawing the diagrams, because the steps are common for all the problems, only the data they'll change. And this subject comes under 6th semester elective. 18E643 the subject code, and computer aided electrical drawing, right? So before solving the problem or before drawing the diagram in the AutoCAD software, I'll go with the steps before I solved one problem, right? Same, I'll go through the steps. Let's see one by one steps. First we have to go with the first we have to click on the AutoCAD software and you have to set limits and units. Limits is 0, 0 and then units 1500, 1500. I mean left right, lower left corner and upper right corner we set it as 0, 0 and 1500, 1500. And then after that units I have to mention decimal value or this one, whichever the value, and inches, instead of inches you have to set millimeter or centimeter as your wish, and international you have to set. This is the upper right corner, lower left corner. This is a space for drawing diagram. And draw line using this one point. First you draw the one line, after that array use, and then make the numbering of that particular conductor by using text. After that coloring the conductors, because the AC winding you have to color based on the data given in the question. So after that we have to set interconnection of this one diagram or windings. After that you have to place this one 3-phase star connection or delta connection diagrams. This is a winding diagram. This is how we are drawing the diagrams. Okay, let's solve one problem now. Okay, problem number 2 you can consider. The developed winding diagram for the following details: 3-phase AC double layer lap winding, slot having 12 and poles 4, phase sequence RYB, red color, yellow color, blue color conductors, right? And then pole pitch is what? Number of slots per pole or number of conductors per pole. Slots per pole is slots, how much they are given? 12. Number of poles they have given 4. So 12 by 4 we got 3, right? And then slot per pole per phase. So pole pitch around pole pitch by phase is 1. So slots per pole is how much? 3, and then phase is what? 3. 3 by 3 is what? 1, right? Slot angle 180 degree divided by pole pitch. See, 180 degree by pole pitch is means what? So pole pitch is 3. 180 degree by 3 is 60. 60. 3 6, I mean like 360, I mean like 180 by 3 how much? 60 degree, right? And RS, starting point of R is starting, okay, RS is 1 TCS in the sense top coil side in a particular slot, and YS is starting winding, I mean like yellow color. 1 plus 180 degree by 60 is 3 TCS, and BS is 1 plus 240 divided by 60, 5 TCS. See, that is 120, 240 is there. How it is possible? See, already we all know, right? All the conductors are placed 120 degree apart each other, right? And also a conductor, whatever we are placing, 180 degree displacement, and also rotating magnetic field is speed is NS is equal to 120 F by P. So if it is RS is a reference, Vm sin omega t, there is no phase difference, that is a reference value 0, and y is equal to Vm sin omega t minus 120, or B is equal to Vm sin omega t minus 240, I mean minus 240 plus 120. So we got 135, okay. After that you have to make a winding table, that is pole per phase, R phase, B phase, Y phase, P1, P2, P3, 4, P4 are the number of poles. 4 poles they are given, you have to mention 4 number of poles. So RS 1 plus 3 is 4 dash, 2 plus 3 is 5 dash, 3 plus 3 is 6 dash, number of poles secondary. I mean one conductor, first conductor, one conductor is connected to 3 conductors, I mean like 4 dash, okay. 2 plus 3, 5 dash, 2 second conductors of that B phase, pole 1 is connected to 5 dash, okay. And Y phase 3 plus 3 6 dash, okay. P2 is 4 plus 3 7 dash, 5 plus 3 8 dash, 6 plus 3 9 dash, And similarly, we have to make P1, P2, P3 poles conductors. This is the diagram after drawing by using AutoCAD software. So RS, YS, BS is the starting. I mean like starting this one winding, and then RY, RF, YF, BF is the finishing winding. So this is a star connected. See, star connection is like this. Okay, RS, YS, BS, RF, YF, BF is the winding. 3 lines will get it. Okay. So this is how we are drawing the diagram. This is a connection, and this is a double layer like that. And the conductor direction current also you have to mention here like this, like this, like this, like this, and you have to connect like this. I mean like interconnections also. So likewise you have to draw a diagram. Okay. Next problem we'll see. Develop the winding diagram of 3-phase AC machine with 18 slots and 6 poles. Assume it is star connected and phase sequence is RYB. So pole pitch is equal to number of slots per pole, 18 by 6, that is 3 only pole pitch. Slots per pole per phase. So pole pitch per phase. See, so what is the formula for this one? Slots per pole and then pole pitch. M is equal to what? I mean like, so N is equal to number of slots per pole. M is equal to number of slots per pole by phase, that is distribution factor. N is the pole pitch. And slot angle per pole per phase is, say, pole pitch by phase, that's all. 3 by 3 is 1. So slot angle is 180 degree by pole pitch, 180 degree by N, right? Slot angle. So 180 degree is the angle between two adjacent slots. So N is the number of poles, pole pitch is equal to 60 degree we got. And RS is equal to 1 TCS top coil side particular slot, and one is 180 degree and 180 degree, 60 degree, 3 is TCS, and BS is 240 by 60 degree, 5 TCS. Diagram is like this. See, number of poles, previous problem they were given only 4 poles, right? But in this diagram, I mean in this problem they have given 6 poles. That is the difference. Everything is same. The difference is here 6 poles given. Previous problem they have given 4 poles. That is the difference. Okay. So no need to confuse. Okay, this is a winding table for drawing the diagram in the AutoCAD. So here number of poles we have to mention. Here R phase, Y phase, B phase. RS is equal to 1 plus 3 is starting, okay, 4 dash. BF is equal to 2 plus 3, 5 dash, and YS is equal to 3 plus 3, 6 dash. So RS, YS, BS, and RF, YF, BF. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7 dash, 5 plus 3 is 8 dash, 6 plus 3 is 9 dash, 7 plus 3 is 10 dash. Similarly, we have to draw the diagram by using AutoCAD software. So this is how the diagrams looks like after drawing the diagram by using AutoCAD software. So one number of conductors like 1 dash, 2 dash, total 18, I mean 36 will be there. After that here there is a interconnection, and RF, YF, BF will be there. So this is how we are drawing the diagram in the AutoCAD. Okay. Thank you so much.